Perhaps you've played before with embedding a YouTube video inside your course management system or a blog or on a web page. What I'm interested in exploring right now is creating a list, a dynamically updated list of content, essentially an RSS feed. Typically, when someone uses an RSS feed, it's to bring in current events related to a given topic, to stay on top of something, or to notice if there's a change on a website or something. I want to explore RSS feeds as a way to, as I mentioned, have a list of content I've created for my students that is always updated. So if I go and I add some new resource for my students, it'll automatically appear in that RSS feed. Something to play with here. All right, so to do that, I'm here at Yahoo Pipes, and I want to create a Yahoo pipe that will show my YouTube materials. Okay, so Yahoo Pipe is a way to create an RSS feed. I'm logged in here at Yahoo Pipes as Prof. Kelly, and I'm not as experienced with Yahoo Pipes for creating an RSS feed, so I'm just going to see what someone else has already done. So I'm going to do a search on YouTube here at Yahoo Pipes, and someone, Eric here, has created a Yahoo pipe that says YouTube tags to RSS. Click on it, and the way that this works is you enter the tags there. So puppies are cute. Let's put in puppies. And look, here are all the YouTube videos related to puppies, and I could right click on that, and I could choose copy shortcut, and now I have the RSS for all the latest YouTube videos on puppies. All right, well, not quite exactly what I want, but a nice little demonstration. One of the things you'll notice, though, is that these YouTube videos are not listed alphabetically. And I actually would like my list to be alphabetical. So I'm going to take this pipe that Eric created, and I want to modify it so that the titles will be sorted. And you'll see shortly that I have a reason for that. Okay, so let's take a look at the source for Eric's pipe here. Well, it's a nice, pretty picture, if you will. It goes from one thing to another, to another, to another. And no, I don't necessarily understand all of this greatly, but enough to get in trouble, so to speak. All I want to make sure is that the final output, before it comes out to me, is sorted. So I'm going to go here where it says operators, and I'm going to choose sort, plop it here, move these things around. Okay, and I'm going to have my material go to the sorter, and from the sorter, then go to my Yahoo, go to my pipe output. What do I want to sort by? I want to sort the YouTube videos by title. All right, and I'll go ahead and save a copy. And now it's saved. I'm going to click on my back button. And I'm going to go to My Pipes. And so I have, well, you can see I've played with this before. So I'll click on this one here. And I'll take a look at the source code. So if it's what we recently worked on, it should have the sort option. And it does. Nice. So cool. Click on the back button, and I'm going to go ahead and type in my terms. So, Prof. Kelly, that's my YouTube sign-in, and Nova, that's the topic, minus Google. I have some things related to Google I don't want to show up. Click Run Pipe, and look, here are the different videos that I've created related to the one-way Nova that I posted to YouTube. Because I've sorted it, my part A and part B are alphabetized, so part A is first. And for factorial design, again, it's alphabetized, part A, B, C, and all the way down to D. So it shows up nice. Good. So now I'm going to take this RSS feed. I'm going to right-click on it and choose Copy Shortcut. And I'm going to put it into a widget. So now I'm here at this website, grazr.com, perhaps pronounced grazer.com. Makes sense perhaps with the RSS feed concept. You're grazing. And I'm going to paste in the RSS URL that I got from Yahoo Pipes. and I'm going to say create widget. Oh, look at that. Here's a little widget, and it has my ANOVA videos from Yahoo. I'm going to play with it a little bit. I'm going to change the theme, perhaps make it gloss blue, and I'm going to get more options. I'm going to change the width to 480 so my videos will show up more easily, and height 420 we'll say. Good. So now I have this looking the way I would like it to look. I'm going to grab the embed code, copy, and now I'm going to head over to my Ning. So I go to Ning, and you can see that this is a all brand new Ning. And what I'm going to do in the Ning is go to where it says Manage, Features, and there's different features I can add. I can add an RSS. Well, that sounds pretty cool. And if I add the RSS, I could have skipped entirely that whole widget making thing because this is a Ning widget for RSS. But I'm actually not going to use Ning's RSS. Why not? They already have it there. Because when I tried it, it didn't sort the videos. And I like my part A, B, C, and D all in order. So that's why I went to the Grazer widget maker. Well, how do I put my widget into Ning? I'm going to choose as a feature text box, save, and now go to my main, text, add text, okay, I'm going to edit, and I'll put here one-way ANOVA tutorials, and now I'm going to paste in my widget from Grazer using the RSS URL from Yahoo Tubes. Okay, save, Yahoo Pipes. And here we go. So now I have in my Ning one-way ANOVA tutorials. Here are the different tutorials. Someone can click on one, and then they can start her up. So now we come to our analysis of. And if I add in a new ANOVA tutorial, it'll automatically show up. So I don't have to go in here and keep updating it each time I add something new. It'll always be updated. And if I add in ANOVA resources that are on Flickr or other sites, I could go back to the Yahoo pipes and I could say grab material from more than one place. Now again, think about your students. Let's say you ask your students to create a short presentation, upload it to upload it to YouTube on a particular topic. Your RSS feed that you put into your Ning or your course management system would automatically create a list for you of your students' content as they produce it and make it available. The students would simply have to use some type of tag that would be unusual and specific to your course. That's a cool application perhaps that you might want to consider. I might play with it too. Okay, so having done that, now I want to put this gadget into my post for our Program for Online Teaching. So I'm here at the creating a new post for the Program for Online Teaching, and I want my my widget of the different ANOVA videos to go right here. And you see I put a DDD where I want that widget to go. That's because when I put in the HTML code, it looks rather messy. So I find my DDD, I highlight it, right click, choose paste. Now I've pasted in the HTML for my widget. Go back to rich text. There it is. And now when I choose to preview, hey, there we go. So in my blog post, I have the widget. And again, I can click on it and start it. And if I add anything else related to the ANOVA, well, not only will my students know, but it'll be automatically updated on this post. Even if I never come back to look at it, it'll stay current. It will avoid, if you will, link rot. In fact, if I remove any of these resources, they will no longer show up on this post. So it's also kind of a cool way to avoid that link rot issues as well. All right, take care.